my channel. Today I am going to tell you some benefits of turmeric for skin. If you want to know, then please watch my full video. These are the highlights of my video. 400 of years, people around the world have linked turmeric to healing properties and cosmetic benefits. The bright yellow-orange spice is related to ginger. It's available as a ground spice or in supplement and other beauty and products. Modern scientist research is just beginning to study the positive impact of turmeric, but many believe it has several beneficial uses for the skin. Here are some ways turmeric may benefit your skin. It contains properties that contribute to a natural glow. Turmeric contains antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds. These characteristics may provide glow and luster to the skin. Turmeric may also receive your skin by bringing out its natural glow. You may want to try a turmeric face mask at home to see if the spice has any positive effects on your skin. You can mix a small amount of Greek yogurt, honey and turmeric together and apply to your face. Keep the mask on for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash off with water. Your skin look like this. It can also heal wounds. The turmeric can help wounds heal by decreasing inflammation and oxidation. It also lowers the responses of your body to the wounds. This results in your wounds healing more quickly. Studies have found that turmeric can positively affect tissue cells as well. The journal Science recommends applying turmeric as an optimized formula to best work on skin wounds. It can also help your pores. The antioxidant and anti-inflammatory qualities of turmeric may help your pores by controlling flares and other symptoms. The National Pores Foundation states that you can use it as a supplement or by adding it to food. Before you try it, the foundation recommends discussing with your professional doctor. Turmeric for skin lightening. A triple shot of can work wonders on your brain, but not so much for under eye shadows. After your next all-nighter, try turmeric. A recent study found that turmeric essential oil in a lotion formation can brighten skin within 3 weeks with a result that lasts just as long. These glowing benefits are likely the result of powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds working together to heal and bring out the natural health of your skin. Dye turmeric lotion. Add a few drops of turmeric essential oil to a cream or oil-based moisturizer and use it as you would your regular moisturizer. Turmeric is also used for slow hair growth. The same study found that turmeric may help slow unwanted hair growth. Turmeric was applied on the underarm of 60 women for 10 weeks. The study found that the oil reduces or slowed hair growth on the tested area. The time it taken likely depends on the texture of your hair. The thinner hair will react more quickly than cozy hair. Expect turmeric oil to work less dramatically than waxing or shaving. Turmeric facial hair remover. You can take 1 cup of cold milk, half cup of flour, 2 tablespoons turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of salt and mixing until it forms a sticky paste. Then apply the paste to the area where you had like to stop hair growth. Let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes. The mask will start to crumble off as it dries. With warm water and pat dry with a washcloth. One pro tip I want to give you: if the turmeric stains your skin yellow, apply vinegar to remove it. Turmeric to treat other skin condition. Turmeric anti-inflammatory and free radical fighting properties have made it a topic of study for countless skin issues, but the extent of its health benefits are still being researched. Along with the issue mentioned above, studies show that turmeric may also be beneficial in treating first, stretch marks, second, dry skin, third, skin cancer, and etc. But will it make me grow 3 heads? As far as side effects go, the most obvious consequences of topical turmeric is skin staining. There's a reason turmeric shows up in rices for bright yellow curries and other vibrant dishes. Unless you wanted to turn your face into tikka masala, don't leave it on your skin too long. But luckily, even if you do, it isn't permanent and a good should remove the stain. Make sure you are not allergic to turmeric before using it topically. Turmeric based skin treated by applying a small portion to your inner arm or wrist and covering it with a bandage for 24 hours. If you experience any itching, burning or other irritation, cleanse the area immediately and stop using the treatment. If you are taking iron supplements or blood thinner, use oral turmeric treatments with caution as the spice is known to make you bleed more easily. High doses of turmeric may also cause digestive issues like diarrhea, headache and rashes, so take care while using turmeric. Keep in the mind that turmeric has a low bioavailability, which means there is a limit to how much of it your body can absorb. The long and short of it, if you are looking for a natural skin treatment that you can find on the shelves at your local grocery, look no further. Turmeric has positive research backing its ability to reduce inflammation and speed healing, which is beneficial for both medical and cosmetic purposes. Use it in powder form or as an essential oil. So these are the benefits of turmeric for your skin and hair. If you like my video, then please comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.